Small ones along the edge of the hood there. So it's not a perfect car, but you got to go to our website. You're going to be surprised how inexpensive you can buy a Corvette. 15x8 rally wheels, disc brakes at all four corners. The bumpers are in great shape. 74 is the only year it was a two-piece bumper. The lenses look real nice. I think that's power antenna, it looks like. And yeah, the paint shows well, but here's some touch-ups on the edge of the door. It's really shiny. They polished it up really good. Tan leather interior. It's nice soft leather seats, leather armrest in the middle there. Tilt telescopic, power windows. Has a retro stereo right in the original hole. And overall, the inside of the car looks very nice. Still the original weather strip. They actually put glue on with a can of glue and a brush, and then they stuck the weather strip on there so you can see the original glue. And I mentioned this in some of my other Corvette videos, but there's so much social activity with a Corvette. There's clubs, there's activities and events. You can go have this car judged at Bloomington and get it certified as an original survivor. There's so many parts available, original and aftermarket. Now this is a VIN number match, the number match motor. He did put a different intake on there. We have the original in a box in the back. It does have the complete cowl induction system. The air comes through the cowl. Motor compartment's very clean and tidy. Nice fan shroud and fan. It's got power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. We'll start it up here in a minute. So the guy I bought it from owned it the last 17 years. The person he bought it from had it 10 years. So it's been a two-owner car the last 27 years. I do have a folder with miscellaneous maintenance records. So it runs real nice. Of course, these T-tops come off, but I'm telling you, you can get into a Corvette collector car without spending a lot of money. If you go to volocars.com, you'll see the pricing and the specs. It's a good survivor car, 38,000 actual miles. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting really cool cars on there, a few a day, and that's the best way to keep in touch with what we got going on here. So there you have it, volocars.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.